2022 Mitsubishi Outlander. They stole his catalytic converter. I think this is going to be on the list of stealing these catalytic converters in these vehicles. So this car came with a factory alarm, but what we end up doing is adding the shock sensor to it, because what happens is, not only that, but I seen them steal the airbags and the radio too. So, you know, in this case, they went for the catalytic converters, but by adding the shock sensor, it gives them that layer, one more layer of security, because these factory alarms don't come with any type of impact sensor. The only way it works is if somebody opens the door, and nobody's going to do that. They're either going to break the window and jump in without opening the doors, or to get underneath the car and do what they did, they don't need to open the doors whatsoever. I just finished adding the shock sensor. If you have this car, you can probably go outside and bang on the window. You're going to notice nothing's going to happen unless you open the door. I went ahead and added the shock sensor already, and then watch what happens. The alarm fires off. It works basically all around the vehicle. They get underneath the car and they start banging around, cutting things. It should be able to fire off. So yeah, and not to mention that it wouldn't hurt to have this sensor for all the other reasons of somebody breaking your window and trying to go through your glove box to steal your registration, or take your radio or their airbags or whatever you left inside the vehicle. Basically what they do, they go around banging in your car lightly to see if something is installed. If not, they go ahead and do their thing. We're mobile. We're in Miami. We take care of Fort Lauderdale and Homestead. So anybody who needs this type of shock sensor installed in this particular vehicle, give us a call. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.